My people, oh, come and see arrangie. Arrangie, oh, this is Ray arrangie. This woman came all the way from Canada. If you were on the 14th of August, on that Lover's Day, this woman came also to sing for Ebuka, to sing in Zion Ministry. She said she landed that very day from Canada. So she's arrangie. So if you look at the other video, it's where Evangelist Ebuka met her in the hotel where she lodged. She lodged in Seraphic Hotel. On listening to her testimony, for those of you who call them arrangie, this woman came all the way from Canada to Zion Ministry to do arrangie. I don't know how much Ebuka will pay this woman to make her pay for flight, leave her work and come down to Nigeria to give false testimony. So my people, watch it. Please, Mathias Ezeaku, come and see arrangie. You and your members that call Ebuka arrangie, come and see another arrangie.
Miraculous man, Oramaka, Obiragamaho, Mampana, Obiragamahosa, Mampana, on that Demba, on Tuesday, on a road, on Menga, Chineke no Bayangbaga, Ejena Moyo save Rami, one Agbamshi, nothing. Juyo, one Agbam, nothing, no lega, nothing. I'm just telling you the gospel. I don't mix my words. I don't lie. My brother Anga, we are going to go. Chigi, Unyola, Oroga, Chigi Hunaganya. Chigi Hunaganya, random man Kurumasa. Even stop repeating. Just don't waste time in talking about negative. God bless you. I'm so excited.
So after the what happened?
The pain, no more pain. I have been thinking like maybe no more.
And I declare your healing permanent.
Amen.
You came from Canada.
Yes, sir. Liu Markham, every dog go number. Ona no here. Him pacha. We here man, I wasn't prepared. I just came.
And I promise to see you after Abuja program. After Abuja program, I will see you.
No, I'm going tomorrow. You know what Chineke is a people women.
Now, the only thing I can do now is to get your number to send prayers to you. And you tell me, give me your picture, your children's pictures.
From your brother.
Okay, I will take it because I will have seen you after the Abuja to look at your hand and to tell you about it.
No, I didn't want to cancel off flight and
if something will not spoil for you, you cancel it. I'll see you on Monday. But if something will spoil, you go. On Monday is when I will speak. May the Lord trouble the trouble that troubles you. Intervene in the life of your children. In the name of Jesus.
Jesus. You get.